Well, you just got anonymous sponsorships on here. Check that shit. Cheers. Ain't no laws when you got a Fresca in your claws.
How did you get the table dirty already? You were putting lipstick on too?
Boom! What's up, JK Adventure fans? Y'all already know who it is. It's your favorite chubby couple. Aww. And we know it's been a while. We've been balling on a budget. We're still balling on a budget, but we wanted to do a little something for you guys. Tell the people what we're doing.
Today we're going to be doing a unboxing video.
So we're gonna go into this and just open up what we got. Hopefully we got what we wanted. Sometimes you never know with Supreme's week 1 drop, but
you ready?
yeah, go first.
Okay. This is mine. So excited. So, if you can tell by the box, there's gonna be something cool in it.
Wow, let me pull it for you.
Hold on, there's something else in the box. No?
What?
No?
No. Well, tell the people what you got.
We got a skateboard. Look at it. Check it out. Whoa.
I guess I'll open mine. Yeah, that is fresh.
I like it, look. You really can't read the writing, I don't know if you guys can see. But this is from the Supreme drop, the first drop of what?
What are we in, fall?
Fall. So we got a skateboard.
Or spring? Boom! This one's red.
Oh, it looks, okay.
Yeah. So I'll hold yours up. I'll hold mine. This is what we got. You guys are probably like, wow, they got the same thing. So lame. I actually have been collecting Supreme skateboards, so I do have a big collection. If you want to see my whole collection, let me know. I think I'll give you guys a little treat on what I have right now.
Yeah.
But go ahead, say what you gotta say, because I'm a little lost in the sauce.
I'm a little confused because I ordered something else.
Maybe it's in the mailbox. Did you check your order?
Should I go check?
Yeah. Pause it and go check.
3 days later.
Alright guys, and we're back.
Luckily for you guys, it didn't take that long. Just a few seconds.
Exactly.
But as you guys already know, with the hurricane here and everything got delayed, so the package got a little bit delayed. But our second package is finally here. I'm going to have wanting to do the honors and open this package. But let me just say briefly before we start opening this, as you guys saw the skateboards, normally the skateboards come in a bag. So, Supreme,
What's going on?
Stop being cheap. I like those bags. If you see the collection, you'll see that I have every single board in every single bag that I've forgotten. So this is a little upsetting, a little annoying. Let's hope this one's a little bit better. Crack it open.
Have we gotten one of these before?
Yeah.
We haven't.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we got a little like parachute toy.
A toy? This is a key. Oh, it is a parachute.
It's a toy.
Man.
It says it on the back. Sure. Dang, and we got some super cool stickers.
What the hell
What the fuck is this?
Probably glow in the dark. Or maybe a scratch and peel?
Maybe it didn't come. Want to show them the stickers?
Got a little parachute man. Little parachute toy. Resale. $100. Let me know. Oh, this is cool. This is the Mary J. Blige. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. Sign and all that. That's pretty cool. If you know, you know. Some weird little like emo Supreme sticker. Nothing on the back of this one.
I think that.
Let me know if this is a typo. Or maybe it's a secret sticker. Who knows?
No, you can't scratch it.
But yeah, that's what we got.
Pretty
So
cool.
yeah, we actually got some cool stickers. I mean,
For once, except that one.
when we figure out what this is, we'll let you guys know.
You guys ready for what we really got? Are you ready?
Yeah.
We got a lighter.
Whoa! This is not a Zippo? This isn't a Zippo.
I don't know, baby. No, it's not. The other one came in the little box, remember? Because we got the Zippo one, and that one's inside a box.
So that's a little weird item. I'll come close. So that's what we got, guys. 2 skateboards and a lighter. Some pretty cool exclusive stickers. I'm not gonna be mad at it. I got a cool little toy. I can't wait to throw this at someone. But even the lighter didn't come in a bag, so maybe they're going what? What did you say earlier?
I think maybe they're going green. They're trying to save the planet, not use so many plastic bags. So, I don't know.
And let me know if this is a real sticker.
Yeah, that's a little questionable too. Don't peel it. We'll Google it.
Not super fired up with everything I got. Not gonna stop collecting the skateboards because it's kind of like a thing now, but hey, if you want a lighter, you know you can hit me up.
Leave a comment down below.
Tell them what to do.
Before we go, don't forget to like and subscribe and share our videos. I mean, you could share it to anyone, your friends, your family, a co-worker. I don't know.
It's not my co-workers. But we'll keep you guys in touch and see you real soon.